So I'm making bacalao. What I have done is I have poured half a liter of olive oil, and these are 3 cloves of garlic, very thinly sliced. And here's the bacalao that I have pre-fried. And if you don't know what bacalao is, it's codfish, salted codfish. And I have cut it and I have fried it in a batter. Okay, so that's waiting. And here we just want the olive oil to get infused with the smell of the garlic. And let's wait till it's a little bit golden. And here on the other side, we already have our pre-cooked potatoes. Peeled or unpeeled is quite up to you. And they've been smaller than quartered. And here are my pimientos. They're going in next. They have been sliced and drained. Well, we have to drain it some more. Sorry. I'm using my other hand to film, as this is a very raw vlog of teaching you how to cook bacalao. So bacalao is a very traditional Spanish dish, and this has been 3 years in 3 generations in my husband's family, and I learned how to cook this from my father-in-law. So that's again 500 ml of olive oil. That's 3 cloves of garlic sliced very thinly. 1 kilo of bacalao that I have cubed and dredged in batter and then fried. And then we have olive oil, green olives, sorry, pitted. And of course, tomato sauce. And now there we go. As you can see, it is starting to become gold. And the smell is amazing. So this will give it a lot of flavor. So after that, let's put in our pimiento. Let's cook that in there. There's a bacalao. That goes in last for your information. And then now we open our... So I have pitted I have drained my olives, and I will pour all of that in there. So again, stirring as we go along, because we really want all of those flavors to be infused. I have opened our tomato sauce, and this is 1 kilogram, and we are going to finish all of that. So I have poured all 1 kilo of our tomato sauce. We're gonna let that sit for a few minutes. Let that come to a simmer before I put in our last ingredients, which is the bacalao and our pre-boiled potatoes. So as you can see, it has started its slight simmer. So now we are ready to add in our other ingredients. We will slowly put in our bacalao. Like I said, it has been pre-fried. Okay, that's not ideal. Putting it all in there. Oh, if you can just smell this amazing dish. It's really easy to make. It's something the whole family will enjoy. I'm gonna put in the description where bacalao originated from, so you know a little more about Spanish history. Go. Now for the potatoes. Also, just put it all in there. And what we want to do is we would like to stir it very carefully. And I mean carefully, because the fish is pre-cooked, so that means it's very delicate and it can fall apart into tiny pieces, and we don't want that. As well as our potatoes are pre-cooked as well, and we don't want to end up with mashed potatoes. So as you maybe noticed, I did not season my bacalao because the bacalao is already very salty as it is. And yeah, the flavor alone of the bacalao together with the garlic and the pimiento and the olives and the olive oil will give it the flavor. Okay guys, so there you go. We have let it simmer for about 10 minutes so that all the flavors come together. Now we're ready to plate this really good dish. Let's get a little bit of everything in there. Put it in this really festive bowl of ours that I got from my brother. A little bit of the, should I call it sauce, put it in there, and there we go guys. Let's take a little bit more of the pimiento. Let's take that to our table, and there we go. Our plate, our single serving of bacalao. What we made was actually good enough for an entire family of probably 5 people. That's 1 kilo of bacalao I used, and I will put my ingredients in the description, as well as the procedure of how to cook this really good Spanish dish. Okay guys, that's part of my Christmas Noche Buena put together dish. I'm going to make more food and I will show you in the coming videos. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and click like if you like this video. Thank you. Bye.